Yo, yo, yo. Doctor, I got the blue. I need to buy stuff that has good quality, price, and value. What do I do? Oh. Well, my personal prescription is to check out the website buymystuff.com. Hallelujah. There, you will be a happy camper and a happy customer at buymystuff.com. In fact, I am so elated and so excited about this website. Ding, ding. I feel like dancing. And remember, buymystuff.com is red, awesome, and naughty, dude. It is tight, fly, and off the chain. Now that's what I'm talking about. My professional opinion of buymystuff.com is 2 big giant thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. And remember, pick me, your next winner. Ciao. Wee. Do that dippity.